Nigerian stocks closed flat on Thursday, its second time this week, as the benchmark index eased by 0.01%, on track for a second straight week of loss. Oil and gas giant Seplat Energy set the bourse on a downward trajectory after traders placed a good number of its shares on sales, and only a few investors were actually willing to buy them. Specifically, the oil share index inched lower by 0.01% to close at 47,102 basis points, while the market capitalization declined by 4 billion naira at the close of today's trading. Moving on, ICT giant CWG PLC was the worst performing stock with a 12 kobo loss, and Champions Brewery trailed with a 20 kobo loss on its part. On the flip side, as our gainers list for today, RT Briscoe led the gainers chart, appreciating by 10%, and it was followed suit by Northern Nigeria Flour Mills PLC that also appreciated by 10%. Our market summary sees a total volume of 357 million units of shares valued at 6 billion naira, exchanging hands in 4,251 deals. This time yesterday, the market closed in the greens, but today it's a different story. Actually, these days, it's kind of hard to predict the move of investors because even the earnings season does not have it does not seem to have the much expected impact on the investors' decision, which is why we're seeing uncertainty on the Nigerian stocks rather. Moving on to the global market, uncertainty over the movement of Russian troops on Ukraine's border means European markets are back under pressure. Today's fall for the FTSE comes after the US said 7,000 extra personnel have arrived in recent days, disputing Russia's claim to have sent some troops back to their bases. The Dow Jones, in the same vein, also opened lower on Thursday at escalating tensions between the West and Russia surrounding Ukraine's unnerved investors, with some disappointing earnings also weighed on the mood. And it's the same story in Japan, when the Nikkei is closing negative with a 0.83% decline. That's all on Stock Market Report.